Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, at the first you have to open menu, then open clock, move on the left upper corner and then activate one of the alarm. Let's go with this one. When we click right here, we are also able to adjust this alarm. We can set the repeat for the Friday. We can activate vibrations, we can change ringtone. And also we can change label. And as you can see, that's how we can adjust and turn on alarm clock on the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!